How to delete messages on Signal. Are you guys facing issue to delete messages on Signal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To delete a message on Signal, open the application and log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you're logged in, now go to the chat where the message is. Find the message you want to remove and tap and hold on it. A menu will appear at the top. Tap the trash bin icon. If the message is yours, you will get two options, delete for me and delete for everyone. Tap delete for everyone if you want to remove from both sides. If the option isn't showing it, it means the time limit for deleting for everyone has passed. Once deleted, the message will disappear and show a note that it was removed. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos on this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how we're going to delete messages on Signal. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.